Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you a summary of the house construction progress till our successful house turnover yesterday of my Bangkok-based client who bought a Melcon Corner unit here in Madonna located in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Super happy naming lahat dahil finally pwede na silang mag-move in sa kanilang bagong bahay. So here we are, final inspection ng bahay since may water na pero nagtap lang kami ng electric just to check the lights. And dahil may ilaw, nakakita kami ng iilang need na i-repair like yung chip sa stairs, yung chip sa ceiling natin sa isang room sa taas at sa common bathroom. Roof leak test done as well since lagi namang maulan dito for the past weeks. They bought their corner unit last September 2023 for 7.5 million and now nasa 9.5 million na ang mga Melcon corner units. 2 million ang itinaas after just 1 year lang. Mabilis talaga capital appreciation dito, lalo maganda ang location, fully furnished na this year at may community na rin dito. Kaya if plan mo ring bumili ng bahay, I highly recommend Madonna. If interested with the same unit, may inner units tayo in phase 2 at 8,634,000. Message us so we can assist you better. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Have a nice city day. See you soon, dear future homeowners.